Hello everyone.
Welcome to Fooders Medicine Channel Traditional Melagu Kolambu. This kolambu is really good for health because we have added pepper in this. Already I have posted Melagu Kolambu powder or podi in a separate video, and this is easy to make and it will take only 15 minutes of time to do this. Let's see the preparation. Take 1 cup of water in a bowl. Add a lemon-sized tamarind to the water and soak it for 10 minutes. In a dry pan, take 2 spoons of oil and heat it. Once it gets heated up, add 1 spoon of mustard seeds and we have to wait until it splatters. Add 5 curry leaves. Add 4 pinch of hing for flavor and it also reduces the gastric issues. Add 3 cups of extracted tamarind water. If you soak tamarind in 1 cup of water, you can get 3 cups of extracted tamarind water. Add quarter spoon of turmeric. Add 1 full spoon of salt. Mix the turmeric and salt very well. Now add the Melagu Kolambu podi or powder 3 spoons. As it is nicely grounded, it will dissolve easily in the tamarind water. Mix all these very well. If you have this ready-made Melagu Kolambu podi powder, it is easy to make. Just you have to mix it and boil it, and it can be used as a lunchbox recipe. Cover with the lid so that it will cook very quickly. After 5 minutes of boiling, you could see still the water is not thick, so we have to boil once again. Check after 5 minutes of boiling again. It is now little thick. Again close with the lid and then boil for another 5 minutes. Now it has become completely thick and the oil also separates out. Now the tamarind water is reduced to 30%. See here how thick it is. There is a Tamil proverb. What it says like, if you have a pepper, it will reduce the toxins and even it can take out the poison from your body. Melagu vishattai murikum. It means pepper will take out the poison from your body. So have this kolambu once a week, or you have to add pepper in all your recipes instead of red chilli or green chilli. Our traditional Melagu kolambu is ready. Just transferring to the serving bowl. As it is very thick, you can have 1 or 2 spoons in the rice and then have it. You can have it with any kootu recipe. The taste will be really good. You can also fry the garlic and then you can do this kolambu. Don't add any vegetables. With garlic it will be really good. I will also make another recipe with garlic pepper kolambu. That will be too good for the health. This kolambu is really suitable for any rainy season or winter season, and also it helps for the body for faster digestion. Have this kolambu and the taste will be really good. Try this recipe and leave your comments. Thank you.